Hello, Transurfer, and thank you for tuning in to this TransurfingTV production. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, and please like this video and comment in the comment section below "I love Reality Transurfing" to enter my giveaway for my awesome reprogramming stickers. I am pulling a bunch of winners every week, and you just might get a pretty nice stack of these amazing reality creation stickers. So with that, 14, imitating action. This is really one of my top keys for creating reality. I have done this a number of times with all sorts of different things. Things that I've wanted to become or things that I've wanted to do or have. I simply start imitating. And with imitating comes outer intention showing me more ways or providing me with more opportunity that I can imitate and ultimately affect or match up to that future frame, which is my ultimate intention. So Eum says here, you don't have the right to disrupt established order, but you can choose an upcoming frame. So this is pretty fascinating stuff because if you think about it, okay, let's break this down. You don't have the right to disrupt established order. So the order that is in your present moment, the reason that this is the way that it is right now is because of your actions in your previous frames. So if you want to see a different reality in your present moment, then you need to start acting now to affect that future moment once it becomes present, if that makes sense. So here she says, moving according to script versus ability to replace the film role. And then the center there is imitate in the waking state of consciousness, okay? So again, going back to the previous lessons, you can either go with what has been consistent for you, right? The program, the normal script as it has been set up by you. And then you can acquire the ability to replace the film role if you can imitate a new movement, a new path that is really you creating a new script. So I'll actually go into this a little bit more in the next lesson, but let's just talk about imitating briefly here as I wrap this up. Imitating is simply you choosing a new upcoming frame. If you just stay in your normal mode, your upcoming frame is going to look the same as it is now. If you choose a new movement, a new action, and you imitate a new role, that future frame will in fact look different. But you have to remember that the mirror does not respond in our time frame. So you don't get to decide on the time frame that will happen. But if you continuously act or imitate in the direction of a new role, that future frame will eventually line up with your current reality, confirming that you are in fact what you have been imitating to be. So stay tuned for the next one, being present.